From concept to finished product, the designer and the manufacturer are the two key roles that bring things together. Designers have the functional requirements for their parts, but they don't necessarily know how to make them. Manufacturers often know how to meet the functional requirements in a number of different ways. How can a mechanic designer choose a process specifications that will ensure he gets the exact quality and output he wants for his prototypes and the low-volume production? Hello everyone, welcome back to WayKen Rapid Manufacturing channel. My name is TJ here. Today, I'd like to talk about a topic that is not often discussed in the context of low-volume or on-demand manufacturing, and that topic is quality. A designer has functional requirements for their parts, knows how to measure them, but doesn't know how to make them. The manufacturer knows how to measure the end result and knows how to meet the functional requirements in a number of different ways. If a designer doesn't tell the manufacturer what process and what technology they have to choose to meet the functional requirements, the manufacturer has to make a judgment call. The more the manufacturer has written down the process requirements, the less trouble they have in meeting the designer's functional requirements. So, as a designer, what should we do? The first is DFM. DFM stands for Design for Manufacturer. Whether you're doing CNC machining, 3D printing, or injection molding, if you are the person designing parts, it is really important for you to know the limitation of that technology and whether or not a design is suitable for that technology. Let's take CNC machining as an example. We have a lot of limitations in terms of sharp corners, tolerance that can be achieved. Knowing more about the limitations will help us set the manufacturer up for success, not for failure. Second, if you really want to get a product to market quickly and consistently, less is more. A manufacturer may have to process 200 different orders a day. They can't customize each manufacturing process. So, they set up standard operating procedures for consistent results for a particular process. When a designer selects an as-machine finish on a CNC machine part, both the designer and the manufacturer know with nearly certainty what the product will look like. That's the connection between the manufacturers and the designers. So, it gets everyone moved very quickly on that definition. Third, give the manufacturer the usage scenario of the part. What you are going to use it for, what product it's going to go into. That information is very important to the manufacturer. Let them know what the most critical tolerances are on that part. When the manufacturer are facing with small conflicts, they know exactly what process to use. It really helps when you have to meet a tight lead time. For example, it is very difficult to polish a part or maintain a tight tolerance. If a designer could let the manufacturer know what is more important, the tolerance or the roughness when they first deliver the design, the manufacturer will know what to do during the production without having to go back to the designing. That's all for today. Thank you again for joining us for this video. And we hope you have learned something today about quality in the context of low-volume manufacturing. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you next time. Bye-bye.